the future, turn the page. Always knew that I'd lose you, run away. Stories over in the rain.
Break my heart, walk away. How can I go on without you, girl? I'm breaking. I wake up and I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Tapos na daw po ang araw-araw na pumunta dito sa Los Baños.
Okay naman. Sa pangalan.
Okay lang.
Okay lang naman. Sakto lang. Pang-uwi namin.
Nakaka-ipon-ipon po ba?
Nakakabawi-bawi naman. Paminsan-minsan. Pag malakas, yung benta, as kapag mahina, okay lang din naman. Nakakaraos-raos din. May natitira rin panggasto.
Yes, in fact, I treat Los Baños as my second home because if you already toured the place, it's very homey. It's like, it's divided. Some parts, there are parang industrial places, and like here, madaming mga trees, nature. So, hindi mo maiisip na ako, since hindi talaga ako taga dito, parang I don't feel like foreign. Kasi parang ine-embrace ng Los Baños lahat ng mga nakatira dito through their surroundings and also yung mga people there.
Okay lang, fine. We can survive. Our daily expenses and needs.
Hindi maayos. Gawa ng yung iba naninira ng polusyon. Tapos yung iba sinisira na ng mga kalikasan. Wala na silang awa.
So, sa ano naman po, sa economics naman po, namamahalan po ba kayo sa...
Super mahal yun yung bilihin.
First of all, nakaka-pressure. It's parang I feel so pressured kasi most of the people here are very intelligent. But as you get to know them naman, parang they're still people. Like, simple lang din naman sila. And second, aside from feeling pressured, parang inspiring siya kasi parang with all these things that we have, like scientific paano man tawag doon? Softwares, yung mga machines na ginagamit sa lab. I'm a micro major. So, I'm surrounded by super high-tech machines. Parang nakaka-inspire na gumawa ng research more kasi
Okay naman. You can adapt in the surroundings. They can provide us many needs such as
Okay lang naman. At kasi taga Los Baños yun naman ako lumaki. At medyo yung nagbabago. Diba taon-taon nagbabago yung economy.
Mga okay lang naman kasi nandito rin yung hanap buhay. Mas dito pinapasok yung mga bata. Okay.
couldn't think of any bad things. Siguro puro good lang kasi nga first yung people they're also from different places here in the Philippines. Some are also from different countries nga eh. So bawat tao may na tawag dito. I don't know the right term for it, pero parang yun, sabi nga ni ate, is may naambag sila sa'yo and sa growth mo, not only as a person but also as a student, as an aspiring researcher.
it has a good impact, especially to my children.
Ngayon kasi sobrang halaga guys. So dapat may mag-social na mas mura.
Yung gusto kong pagbabago dito sa Los Baños, yung bumaba yung presyo ng